Today, we're going to be sharing with you how to automate your watering systems like this for your chicken coop. I'm Danielle at the Split Arrow Farm, and welcome to our channel where we bring you new content every Wednesday and Sunday of how we're building out our homestead. First off, I really wanted to give a big thank you for all of our new subscribers. I know that there's been a lot of new subscribers to our channel, and we're so happy to have you along. For those of you who haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button so that you can get all of our content brought to you, and it really does help support our channel. But let's get back to automating our watering systems. So originally we were just using some of those watering systems that you can get at Tractor Supply, and they were great. You could fit a lot of water in that, but every day you'd have to go fill it up, and honestly, it was my least favorite chore. So we started to really automate a lot of the systems in our farm to decrease the amount of time that we're spending with each animal and make it so that everything can kind of run without us, especially if we want to go away for a day or do something. And that's where we decided to do these PVC watering systems. So we're going to go ahead, show you the tools that you guys need to create these. We'll show you how we created them, and we've had so much success with these so far. Our chickens really like them, and they've cut down on a lot of manual hours.
Need for this automatic water is going to be a PVC pipe cut to whatever feels comfortable for you, just to be able to pour it in. You're going to have a end cap, a plastic end cap to put on the bottom so that it stops the water from coming out. You're going to need a nipple water so that the chicks can click on that and the water will come out. A top so that you're not getting any debris, or if a chicken tries to jump on top, it doesn't try and poop in there. A little piece of copper. This was like 60 cents, and essentially what I was told is that the copper will help to prevent algae from forming within the tube. And lastly, with the top, I'm also going to have a little cap just to make it easier to pull it on and off. But let's do it.
First up, you're going to want to cut your PVC to the exact length that you need. This is going to be different for everyone, so make sure to measure and then cut. Once you make all of the cuts of your PVC, then you're going to take the end piece and just cap off the one end. You're just going to fit it snug in there, and then you're going to tighten this up so that it is water sealed closed. I hope that you guys are enjoying this content. If you do want to learn about how you can automate feeding, we have a really great hack, and we created a video on how to do it. I'll provide a link up here on how you can build out that system. It is so great and we love it, but back to this build. Now you're going to go ahead and drill 2 holes. You're going to want to make sure that these holes are at the right height for your chickens and age that they are. And this is great because 2 chickens can drink at once, and you can also do lower and higher ones depending on their age. Then you're just going to screw in the nipple drinkers and make sure that you get a nice tight fit. And this is going to be really important that you're using the right drill bits and pieces. So I'll make sure to link what we used down in the description notes below so that you have all the supplies ready to go to make this, because we definitely did have a trial and error stage, and we'd hate for you guys to have this same on your end. Once you've installed your nipples, then you are ready to go and attaching it to the wall to make sure that it is sturdy for your chickens. And then you can fill it up with water. Well, it works.
Also leaks.
And it's not leaking! Woo, woo, woo! Drop a copper piece in, so we just have a copper fitting. We got probably the cheapest copper that they had, and this is just to reduce any of that kind of like sliminess that the water gets. Drop her in, all the way down there. And then we have our lids, which for the lids we just have, I think they were dollar handles, and then we just drilled a hole in them and put them on top of the temporary PVC covers here, and this is going to be our line. Then we drilled a small hole, which we're going to put a fishing line in with a bobber, and this will tell us how high and low the water is so we know when it needs to be refilled. I hope that you guys enjoyed our video on how to automate watering, and we'd love to hear your comments down below. What are you guys using? And if you guys do this, please make sure to tag us in pictures at Split Arrow Farm on Instagram. Otherwise, we'll see you guys again next time. Bye!